Hello everybody, this is Soumya and this video is about general awareness, one of the three important areas when it comes to IIM interviews. I used to be a person who had never touched newspapers in her entire life, and also my static GK was so poor. So to improve my general awareness and help me crack IIM interviews, these are the few things that I worked on. General awareness has three subparts. First is static GK, second is current affairs, and third one is GK about yourself. So let's start with the current affairs part. I used to download free e-papers from Telegram. Then I used to upload it on GPT and ask it to summarize it to me, give it a prompt saying, provide me the background context of this particular headline and also a way forward. What it did was, by having the background context, I used to have a proper idea of why that particular thing happened, which helped me create a better opinion about that particular incident. For example, Israel-Palestine war. Why did these particular wars started in the first place? So that's where GPT helped me, and I also asked it to provide me the way forward. This is something which helps both in your interviews and in your work. GK about yourself. So know everything about where you come from which city you come from which state you come from, in which state you have ever lived in your entire life, because that's what they will be asking. For example, in one of my interviews, although my college was in Jabalpur but the university was in Bhopal, they asked me questions on Bhopal. So they will ask you any random question from all the places that you have lived. For that, you can refer to different Wikipedia pages available for each city, each state, to make you well about it. There's a particular segment in Wikipedia which I will attach in this video so that you can know about the different numbers and different speciality related to those particular regions. GK about yourself, you also need to be very thorough with current affairs related to your UG subjects. For example, I'm a civil engineer, so I am supposed to be very well aware of different infrastructural projects happening in this country. If a person is from ECE background, he should be well thorough with semiconductors and the industry. So that's something GK related to your field of work. For static GK, I used to refer a compendium consisting of various things that happened in the past, various wars, policy reforms, Indian map, and etc. So you can refer to various static GK compendiums available online. So that's about today's video. You can post your queries in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.